What's going on, you guys? Eric here, back at you with a brand new video. And as you can see, I got some friends with me. You guys might remember Adam from a donut video.
Yes, sir.
This is Brooke. Brooke, say hi.
Hi.
There we go. So welcome to the first episode of Donut Talk. So we're trying something a little bit different here. We have 12 donuts. Well, actually 13 technically. I'll explain that in a second.
Yeah.
But for every donut that we eat, we are going to cover a topic for you guys. So without further ado, we are going to get started. And the donuts themselves, of course, are from our lovely friends, Taurus. I'm not going to put it too much. Yes, please sponsor me.
Taurus, if you're watching, sponsor Eric.
Please do, please do. Don't want to tilt it too much in case they fall over, but this is what they look like. And trust me, they are absolutely insane.
That's crazy.
Look at that, look at that, look at that. All right, so, Brooke, you have your own.
Yes.
I'm going to show.
For all
Here,
there's a
show.
bite taken out of it.
Oh my gosh.
So there is a mouse apparently called Denise that ate it. But for
That's
the coconut
fine.
lovers, this one is amazing.
Coconut.
Oh, that's too good. Okay, so of the dozen, so Brooke has hers, and honestly, if she wants another one, she can take whatever. But we have a dozen in total and 2 of each, so 6 flavors. So when we're eating them, whether it's me and Adam or me and Brooke or Brooke and Adam, whatever, we're trying the same one at the same time, so we're not also fighting over different flavors because nobody wants that to
same
happen.
one, same time.
All right, so everybody
Let's get
grab.
started.
Okay, so if you want yours, you feel free to do whatever
Okay, which
with
one do
your
you want?
half-bitten donut. What do you want to start with? This is cinnamon bun, if you want to
let's
go
start
there
with
first.
cinnamon bun.
Okay, so cinnamon bun is first. All right,
Okay.
so first
Here's cinnamon
topic.
bun for you guys.
Oh, that is greasy. Oh my gosh.
We earned it. We just worked out.
Yeah, we just did an absolutely insane workout at our studio at 45 Amherstburg. Let's go. Red line, deadline. Okay, so first topic, donuts. Top 3 favorite flavors. And cheers.
Cheers.
There you go.
Sorry, it's half bitten.
Like, I wanna say-
girlfriend tax.
Yeah. I want to say
There you go.
maple. I want to say maple for the top 3 flavors. But
Okay.
since I'm eating cinnamon bun, I have to try it first because I might
It's
change it.
really good.
This is insane. Oh, that is insane.
This might be better than maple.
Oh, this is insane.
Change my answer. Cinnamon bun.
I was
Cinnamon
just
bun?
gonna say, I'm gonna change my answer. I love coconut, but that is pretty good.
Okay, so coconut, maple.
Maple. No, cinnamon bun.
Cinnamon.
Okay, so coconut, cinnamon bun. I like old-fashioned plain. That's my favorite across the board.
Goes with anything.
Goes with absolutely anything. This is really good though. So 2 others. So it doesn't have to be in order. So you coconut, what's another 2?
I'll go maple.
Maple for another one. Okay.
Good old chocolate.
Oh my god, this is insane. Okay.
Look at the cream gushing out. Let me show the camera.
It's wild here.
That's crazy.
It's
This is so
The
good.
filling,
okay, so coconut. What was the other one?
Cinnabon.
Cinnabon? Okay, coconut cinnabon. What's your other? Maple. Cinnamon bun. Okay, so 1 more each. 3.
I'm
The
gonna go
Oreo.
Coconut.
Okay.
This is really good.
Coconut for you. Oreo.
Oh
Okay.
yeah.
Old fashioned plain. I would say honey cruller if I'm going like Tim Hortons. It's so light and I've just had it more. And then I would probably say anything with like peanut butter in it. Like I know Taurus, they don't have it right now this month, but they have like a peanut butter cup donut. Like it's like Reese's filled.
Yeah.
It's nuts. It's so good.
Number
Topic
2.
1. Number 2. Rapid fire here.
I'm still eating mine.
No, just take your time.
It's okay. You take your time.
Okay, food. So other than donuts, what's your top choice of food for 3 meals of the day? So favorite breakfast food.
Bagel cream cheese, simple. Let's just take this one.
Okay.
Looks pretty good.
This is red velvet.
Oh, red velvet.
Yeah.
Show 'em.
What's red velvet right there? Look at that. Oh. Okay, so avocado toast, bagel.
What do
I
you
would
want?
probably say oatmeal or French toast. If I'm being honest, but it's fancy. Oatmeal is easier to eat
Yeah.
and quicker to make. So I would say that.
This donut's so good.
Well, okay, no, it's good. Lunch.
Pasta. For sure pasta. Sausage pasta. We'll get specific.
Okay.
Hamburger.
lunch?
Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger? Like a McDouble? Or like
I
homemade?
love a McDouble, but
What's the difference?
I don't know, like a nice thick juicy premium one.
Okay.
That's my favorite.
Okay. Fair enough.
Yeah.
Lunch? Oh.
Probably like a turkey sandwich or something. Like whole wheat bread,
Yeah.
Yeah.
mustard, mayonnaise, lettuce, tomato,
Yeah.
sliced turkey.
Mm.
I can't go wrong. Okay, dinner.
Oh, spaghetti. I love my carbs.
Oh, that's good. That's actually really good.
Like a nice like seafood pasta with the mussels and the shrimp
Oh,
and the
muscle.
scallops.
my
That's
God.
I love that. So
That's
good.
so good.
So good.
I think
Okay.
I have to go with Hawaiian pizza. Let's make this
Oh,
controversy. Nice pineapple on pizza.
Wow. Okay.
In the
That sounds
comments,
really good.
comment if pineapple belongs on pizza.
Yes.
There we go.
I say
Comment below.
It doesn't, but just comment anyway.
I'll take it. It doesn't bother me.
Amazing.
Okay, fitness. What is the big? I love we're eating donuts. Fitness. So, what's the biggest like mistake that you would see someone do, or think that someone might do when it comes to fitness?
You have to lift heavy or do a lot of reps. I think the biggest misconception is like what you're doing, but I think the answer is always progressive overload. No matter like how many reps you're doing, it's fine. It doesn't matter. You can do 20 reps as long as you're hitting failure within that rep scheme. I think
Yeah.
that's the biggest misconception.
Like less is more. A lot of people think like I need to go to the gym 6 days a week, 7 days a week. I
True,
need to do
true.
push pull legs. If I don't
Right.
train everything like twice a week, every week nonstop, which like I used to do, like you're not going to get the results that you want to get. When truthfully, the more time you give your body to heal is
think-
far
yeah.
better.
I agree.
Yeah.
All right, hit us
like-
with one. What do you think?
I was gonna say, especially when I started working out, I only hit legs because I didn't want. Like, as a girl, I'm like, oh, I don't want my arms to be huge.
It's a classic
and, like,
girl move. I don't want to be
classic.
bulky.
Yeah, exactly. And that's what I did, and I only hit legs. It's not proportionate. Let's just
Yeah.
stop doing that, please.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, so if you could pick any animal in the world, who would you want to be a pet? As we have dogs all over us right now.
There's a dog wanting a donut as we speak.
You could probably hear it right
yeah.
now. All right, let me try this one. Okay,
Poor
any
dog.
pet.
Honestly, I'd be a dog. They can have the life for sure.
They do. They get treated well.
What kind of dog? Like specifically breed-wise?
I'd probably go with the husky.
Okay.
Because then I wouldn't be too cold in the winter.
Ooh, yeah.
That's good.
Winter coat. Winter
There you
coat.
go. All right, you go.
Okay, I'm gonna say a seal and put it in the pool because seals are like dogs. And I
That's
feel like
awesome.
that's just like that's like a water dog. So I would say seal. Like I think that would be really cool.
That is pretty cool.
I honestly, like, there's so many. The first thing as a kid when I always grew up, I always said I want a lion. Because if you can truly tame it,
Yeah.
No one's ever gonna mess with
No.
you. You break in your house, you see a lion, you're
Yeah.
gonna leave.
Yeah.
right? Blueberry fritter or something, by the way. There you go.
That's pretty good.
Okay,
That's nice.
Okay, here's another great question to ask while we're eating donuts. Nutrition. Pick one supplement to have for the rest of your life.
Veggie greens.
Okay.
Definitely veggie greens because it's the most balanced. Yeah, greens.
I've had it before. Yeah.
I love amino cuts. I could not live without amino cuts.
Okay.
It's good.
Is that like pre-workout? Or what?
Caffeinated BCAAs.
Oh, yeah, okay. Fair enough. All right. They're creatine. 100%.
Creatine's so good.
In my opinion, it's the best supplement. Like, it's the most natural. So, and it gives you a nice little like extra pump before a workout. This is a good one for two people who are dating each other right now. Relationships. What's the most attractive quality someone can have, physically and or emotionally?
I think.
Look, I'm staring at you right now.
Yeah.
That's so good.
No, if they push you to be the best person that you can be, and vice versa. Because as soon as you both push each other, it's like iron sharpening iron. It's amazing.
I saw a video sometime, or a long time ago, and someone said that a relationship's not 50-50. It's 100%, 100%.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's not half in, half in.
No.
It's literally 100% both people all the time.
Yeah.
Does that count as my answer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely. Okay.
Your turn. Peach?
Yeah, let's do the peach first. I'll take that
Because
one.
lime sounds really good.
I've been obsessed with peaches
Whoa.
lately.
It's like falling
That
apart.
looks crazy.
Yeah, this is literally
You
like
have to show them. You gotta show
this
them.
is literally like fresh peaches from some like organic farm nearby,
It's like
I believe.
it's like a sandwich.
I know, it literally is
with like whipped cream. How am I gonna?
I don't know. Yeah, give her a bite of that
Yeah,
one.
try
I
that.
see that.
I'm gonna try this right now.
Holy crap.
That
It
is
just
so
bursts
sweet.
in your mouth.
This is the best one so far.
If you have a sweet tooth,
Well, I'm so glad. I'm like, okay, so when I went in there, they usually sell out really fast, but some days you'll go and it's not a big deal. They're open like 10 to 4. I went in at like 5 after 10 this morning, and there was like 6 people in line. I swear. Relationships, it's ironic coming from a person who's not in one, hasn't been in one for a little while. But I would say the best thing, I mean, physically, eyes or a smile, 100%. That's what always sucks me in.
The smile.
Smile is awesome. Eyes, you can always tell a lot. Sense of humor and their energy.
Yeah.
Emotionally, because like I pick up on that really easily. Like if someone is like just really warm and genuine, I can usually tell right away, and that's like the best thing. And then someone who can like take jokes but also like give it back out at the same time.
Right.
Someone has to have a sense of humor, so that's what I would say for that one.
Well, you have enough sense of humor for 2 people, so.
Yeah, you know, I try. Favorite movie and TV show?
2.5 Men.
Wow. Okay. Was Charlie Sheen or after?
With.
Okay.
I stopped after. I mean, I love Ashton Kutcher, but after, it was just kind of, I like Charlie Sheen.
Okay.
It was like a childhood TV show of mine, which is weird, but yeah.
Okay. That's TV show, movie.
Sound of Music, for sure.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's fair.
All right. I'll do TV show. I really liked Outer Banks on Netflix.
Oh yeah, that was so good.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go with that for
Yeah.
TV show, and then movie. I like Jonah Hill, like comedy stuff. So like I would say probably either like Superbad or like 21 Jump Street. Like I like those. So like one of those two. Yeah.
Either one of those are
Yeah.
good.
Jonah Hill.
Okay, TV show. Probably that 70s show, I would say.
Oh, that was so good.
And movie, either Dazed and Confused. Old movie again. It's all about, it's like coming of age, like teenager movie. I like movies where it's like, you just are like, oh, okay, now you're a part of these people's lives.
Yeah.
Like you just jump right in and
feel
just
it,
follow
yeah.
them for a
Yeah,
day.
you feel it, yeah.
That's what I like. Or Dark Knight, best Batman movie of all time.
Oh yeah.
I love that movie.
Dark Knight. Yeah, that's a good one.
All right. Okay. What do we got
got?
here? What do we got? Music, favorite band and or artist. So one or both. All right, I'm diving into. Okay, I need a break from sweetness. I'm gonna go for the well, not sweetness totally, but I'm gonna grab. I think we should do the Pop-Tart,
Okay.
and then end on key lime pie.
I don't even.
I'm honestly so full right now.
Who would be your
That's
favorite
fine.
artist? I can't really think.
Dude, I used to love Juice WRLD.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
No, X.
Or
XXX Tentacion.
Yeah,
People are
yeah.
gonna hate that I said it like that.
Is that not how you say it?
I don't.
Yeah, we don't know.
It's raspberry Pop-Tart, by the
So
way.
good. Oh, this looks like there's filling in the middle.
Yeah, it's
too.
filled with raspberry. Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's like
It was
jam.
Crazy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Holy crap. Okay, this is the best one. No, this is better than peach. This legit tastes like a Pop-Tart.
It does.
Wow.
Tentacion
Yeah,
or whatever.
Tentacion.
I don't know how to say
I
that.
don't
Is
know
that not the
either.
right way? Okay. Favorite artist is John Mayer, 100%.
Oh.
Oh, John Mayer.
You guys know already. I love,
so
love,
good.
love John Mayer. I've seen John Mayer 5 times in concert. Most I've ever seen for anybody.
These last few donuts are getting really hard.
Oh, not at all for me. It's gonna be harder
Dude,
to
he's a
like.
professional.
They're
My
gone.
brain said stop 2 donuts ago.
Okay, so this one's probably more for you, Adam.
Yeah.
Business. What's the best advice you can give starting out in business? Or if you're starting your own business or just in the business world?
I would say take the risk. If you have an idea or you have a skill that people need, you'll always be successful in what you do if it's a valuable skill or a valuable, like whatever your idea is. As long as you can make it work, take the risk and it will always pay off. That's my biggest business thing.
Can't get the results you want in life if you don't take the risk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No risk, no reward, right?
Yes.
Exactly.
No risk, no Rari.
Brooke, do you have any business advice? Okay if you don't.
Well,
No. I mean, taking the risk is the best advice you
I
can
think
give.
so.
Like, whether even not in outside of business, I think like even if you wanted to tie it to like a relationship, like I'm big on like meeting somebody in person. Like I know dating apps can work for people,
Yeah.
Yeah.
especially like nowadays as opposed to maybe 10 years ago.
Right.
But I'm still somebody who believes that like you should just meet somebody in person, like organically, and take the risk. It's
Yeah.
like if someone's in a gym, if somebody's at a coffee shop, if somebody's in a
Yeah.
bookstore,
Yeah.
walking down the street, whatever, that just like go say hi to them. And if what's the worst that can happen? If you don't take the risk, you'll never know.
Yeah.
Yep.
Just don't live in your own head, right?
Absolutely.
For sure.
All right. Okay, real quick. Do you believe in aliens? Yes or no?
yes and no. I don't believe in the aliens with like the green head and the weird eyes.
Okay.
The antenna.
No, but I do believe there could be some form of life that we don't know.
Yeah, I would agree with
That's
that.
what I believe.
Yeah.
So it's like yes and no. I don't believe like aliens, you know, they're walking around like doing their thing, but
Yeah. That's what the sound they make too.
Yeah, that exact sound.
All right, last one. Oh my
last one,
gosh,
we're
this
behind.
is heavy too. This
That's
is
probably
heavy.
filled. What's the filling in that one?
Key lime. This is like key lime pie.
Oh no.
Oh, that
That
smells
sounds
good.
unreal. I think aliens are real. What do they want with us?
everything.
They want to take the whole
planet.
Okay, favorite board game as a kid that you would still play right now?
Sequence.
Okay,
I
never
love
played it.
Sequence.
Never
Sequence,
played it.
okay, this is exactly the description. Like on the box, it says this.
Okay.
You memorize
Easier
it.
than chess, harder than checkers. Does
Okay.
that make sense? So it's
Yeah.
like there's strategy involved, but there's still a little bit of luck to it.
Okay.
So that's why I like it, and it's like it's pretty simple. Like it's a cool game when you look it up. It's like cards.
Okay.
I would say
Look at
sorry.
the
That
dog.
was like
He wants the
Dog's
donuts so
right there.
bad.
That's all good.
that had to be like the best family game because everyone would get so riled up with it. It was amazing. It's super competitive.
Honestly, I'd probably say Monopoly. That's what I played
Yeah.
the most. I'm like, if you need a game to just eat up a large amount of time, Monopoly's the way to
Yeah,
go.
4 hours,
Yeah.
easy.
Yeah.
Once you open that box, 4 hours,
There you go.
guaranteed. No matter how you play it.
All right, final question, you guys. We're gonna finish this up here. Travel.
Struggling.
I know.
Travel. If you could travel to any place in the world, specifically one you haven't been before, where and why?
I've always wanted to go to Bali.
Okay.
I'd probably say Dubai because I always see it on
That'd
Instagram.
be crazy.
I want to see if it's actually like that, where everywhere you go is like Lamborghini and all that stuff,
Yeah.
or is it just like that's only what the social media side shows of it?
Okay. Yeah, fair enough.
So Dubai.
Why Bali for you?
I don't know. I've always just been fascinated with the Indonesian culture.
Because I've never been there before, it's nothing crazy exotic, but I've been all over the Caribbean before. I would go back to Mexico because it was the nicest time I had.
So nice.
I've seen both sides of Mexico, so I went on the Atlantic Ocean side to like Mayan Riviera, saw the Mayan ruins, beautiful. I would say probably Ireland, Scotland, or Amsterdam. That would be my choice.
Yeah.
Like that specific part of Europe, like Ireland and Scotland especially. Either one would be fine. If I had to pick one, I'd say Ireland because I am like 1/4 Irish. You can go around the countryside, see all the old castles, and just like it's just beautiful. And you could do it in like a day. Like you could tour all of Ireland in a day easy. It's so small. So I would say that, and then Amsterdam, not for what everybody thinks, just like to see it and like again the architecture, the culture, like the
Yeah.
party vibes, like just it's top tier in my opinion. All right,
So last question. I am
That's
done.
done.
I am
Done.
done.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Done. All right,
Mocha.
last bite.
All done.
It's mocha certified. He loves the
All done,
donuts.
Going on hands. All right, you guys, let me know in the comments, or let us know in the comments if you like this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring this back fairly regularly, maybe
Episode
once.
2.
Episode
Yeah.
2. Try and do it, maybe switching it out, do it with someone else here and there, and then you know, these guys are traveling and moving, so I'll probably go. You know, maybe the next time they're in the video, we'll be in a different location.
Yeah.
We'll see. I just want to say really quick, knowing you has been one of the best things that have happened to me this year
dude,
in general. I'm just saying this on camera because it's more, it's more,
zoom
No,
in.
I wasn't
Zoom
expecting
in. He's crying.
it's more,
That's so nice. dude.
it's
I
more
wasn't expecting
impactful on camera and surprising, but you are literally like my brother, and I love you to death, man.
that. Give me a hug.
Yeah.
Bravo, thank you. My hands are so dirty.
Yeah, I know.
My hands are terrible.
Mocha, here,
Terrible.
clean my hand.
Thank you.
But yeah, again, that's going to be a wrap. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. They're awesome. If you like it, let me know in the comments. I will travel to where they're going and we'll bring them back for another episode. But oh, I'm going to go
It's a lot of
digest these
donuts.
donuts.
That was a
I'm
lot.
definitely.
And they're
enough
hefty.
food.
They are hefty. So anyways, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Toss me a like, thumbs up.
Let us know if pizza and pineapple go together.
There you go.
It does.
Yeah. But other than that, we'll catch you in the next video, you guys.